Yes, this is.
I got your contact number from one of the websites you created. I'm highly impressed by your work and want to rebrand the real estate company.
For sure. Let me have a look at your business profile. I'll call you back. Alright, I'm in. Let's do this. So, whenever we are assigned with creating a new brand from the ground up, the first thing that is the part of the process is to define the goals of that brand. When looking at those things, looking at the audience, looking at the goals of the brand, the second thing to do would be position the brand. In order to do that, we came up with a couple of things that we listed down, including real estate as an element, including environment as an element, including growth and cash as an element. And that's the process that we follow at Darknet Studio to create brands from scratch. When we say that we create brands that have an impact, we actually mean it. Hey, your website is ready. Check it out. If you have an idea that you want to hit the skies with, reach out to us, tell us your idea, and let's make something happen.